Welcome back to her decadent diary, the sanctuary where feminine elegance meets powerful transformation. Here we rise into the highest version of ourselves, gracefully, intentionally, and beautifully. If you're ready to elevate your life, refine your mindset, and step into 2026 empowered, magnetic, and unforgettable, you're in the right place. Part 1: A soft wake-up call. Before this year ends, there's something important you need to hear. You have been dimming your own light to make other people comfortable. You've been shrinking yourself for relationships, friendships, workplace, and situations that never deserved your softness in the first place. This video is your reminder. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to be seen. You are allowed to be powerful softly, gracefully, and intentionally. 2026 is not the year you play small. It's the year you step into the woman you were always meant to be. Part 2: Rebuild your sense of self-worth. A feminine woman with power doesn't chase validation. She returns to her center and asks, what do I truly deserve? What have I been settling for? Where have I been abandoning myself? You gain power the moment you commit to no longer betraying yourself. Even in small ways, self-worth is not loud. It's not aggressive. It's not combative. Self-worth is quiet certainty. A woman who knows who she is moves differently. Part 3: Emotional discipline. Your feminine superpower. One of the greatest glow-ups you can have before 2026 is this: master your emotional reactions. Femininity is not about softness at all times. It's about choosing softness from a place of strength, not desperation. Practice responding, not reacting, speaking calmly even when you feel hurt, detaching from the need to be right, protecting your peace above all else. A woman who is emotionally disciplined is magnetic. People feel her stability. Men respect her. Women admire her. Opportunities flow toward her. Your emotions should guide you, not control you. Part 4: Detachment. The feminine art of letting life come to you. Detachment is not cold. Detachment is not distant. Detachment is healthy emotional space. It means you stop forcing relationships. You stop begging for effort. You stop explaining your worth. You stop overgiving to people who underdeliver. When a woman detaches from outcomes, she becomes irresistible. Why? Because she's no longer chasing. She's choosing. And that shift changes everything. Part 5: Raise your romantic standards before 2026 begins. Grade your romantic boundaries. Stop entertaining inconsistent communication. Stop accepting connections without effort. Stop confusing emotional crumbs for affection. Stop romanticizing potential over action. A man should add value to your life, not chaos. A high-value woman does not audition for anyone's love. She allows the right man to qualify himself through actions, consistency, and intention. Your softness is a gift, not a bargaining chip. Part 6: Step into your feminine power. Your feminine power grows when you walk slower, speak softer, but think sharper. Protect your energy and access. Make decisions based on long-term self-respect. Use silence as a tool rather than validation. Live in alignment with who you want to be, not who you've been. The most powerful version of you is not loud. She is calm, intentional, graceful, and impossible to ignore. Thank you, my love, for spending this time with me today. If this video awakens something in you, share it with another woman who deserves to rise too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment telling me what part of your feminine power you're stepping into next. And make sure to follow her decadent diary, so you never miss a glow-up ritual, a mindset shift, or a new elegant lifestyle tip. We're entering 2026 powerful, intentional, and beautifully aligned together. Until the next video, Bisou, her decadent diary.